Hi guys, it's Danielle here with Danielle's Boutique Co. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to properly package a wreath for shipping. It's how I do it. It's how my mentors have taught me to do it. So I thought I'd do a video and share it with all of you guys. So let's get to it. Of course, the boxes will vary by size depending on the size of your wreath. But I'll show you kind of your basic tools that you need. And then, yeah, if you have any questions, just post them below. All right, I'm going to turn the camera here and let's get started. Okay, so the box I'm using today is actually pretty big. It is 24 by 24 by 6. So it's a pretty big box. But I wanted to have enough room for this wreath because the bow is pretty big. So I do like to put, let's see if I can move you down a little more here. I do like to put the bow in the corner. So I put it in there catty cornered instead of straight up and down because it's longer on this side and the corner gives it a little more room. So I'll stick it in that way. And this will be a little complicated. I'll tell you for sure you want some wire cutters, some Chanel stems that I've already cut in half, your handy dandy tape, and a nice screwdriver, because that's how we're gonna put the holes in there. So once we have it in here, of course this is gonna be flattened down a little bit. I'm gonna go to the side here and find a spot where I know I can secure it. So I'm gonna take my screwdriver and go right here and poke a hole through our box. Give it a little wiggle. And then I'm gonna poke another one right next to it. Again, give it a little wiggle. And I'll take a wreath out and show you once we finish. And I typically do 2 every now and again. I'll do 3, but I try to get away with just doing 2 holes. So again, just found a good spot, going through with the screwdriver, driving it through, wiggling it around a little bit to give me some space, and doing the same thing right next to it. So I'll take the wreath out and show you what my little holes look like. So I'm going to do the 2 for now, and then if we need to, we'll go back and do a 3rd spot. So 2 holes here, 2 holes here, going all the way through the box. So let's put the wreath back in, and this is just to ensure that the wreath is not going to move around. I've twisted the box now, but that's okay. So I'm going to take one of the Chanel stems, and I'm going to go through the frame of the wreath so that it's like this. See if you can see that. So it's through there, and then put 1 through one hole and 1 through the other. And sometimes this can be a little complicated because of the box. And then once we get that through, we are going to twist it around very tight in the back. So I'll show you the back once I'm finished here. So I'm twisting that around, twisting it around to make sure it's not going to move from that spot. And then I'm going to twist it around and do the same thing over here. So Chanel stem going through the base of the wreath. And then going through the 2 holes that we put through here. see if I can turn this and I can show you guys without it going. So the back here, tightly twist. And if you prefer to have a longer stem, you can, and then cut it off. But you're just twisting that so it's very secure, and doing the same thing on the other side. The goal is to not have the wreath move around during shipping where any of your items could come loose, or the customer gets it and it's like just completely squished. So after I do the two, I go in and I see if it will move. It's moving a little bit, so I think we may want to add one more to make sure it doesn't move. So we're going to go over here to this side. I'm going to feel around for a good spot. And I may need to use a longer one this time. So I found a good spot. I'm going to poke that hole in there. And then poke another one right next to it. Careful not to like poke your hand. So I'm going to use a longer one just because it's pretty tight in here, considering we already put the other two. So I'm just going to use a longer stem because it'll be easier for me to find the holes. There's one, and there's two. So you can see here, again, just going to pull this tight, as tight as we can, and twist. And I'll even take it and twist it again when they're a little longer, and take the wire cutters and cut those off so they're not too dangly. So let's check and see what our movement is now. Now it's not moving at all. So we're secure in the box. So it's in there, it's not going anywhere. Our ribbons will be a little squished, but that's okay. Let me put my little note in here. Box. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get this top part taped up. I did go ahead and tape the box itself because I figured that would be pretty easy, but you can see here how I'm going to tape it. Straight across, and then on each side. And the most important part is flipping it over and taping these parts where you have secured it in. So you're going to put a piece of tape over that. If I need to, I'll put two pieces, just depending on how thick it is or how good it sticks. But that's so it doesn't like get caught on anything during shipping. So that's it, easy peasy. I do like to just put fragile stickers on there. Maybe the post office will be nice, we never know. But I do stick those on there also. So that's it. we've packaged the Wreath, and here's what the back looks like with the ties on it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, you can put them below. Thanks. Bye.